This is an emergency action notification requested by the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Please stand by for messages on the screen. Approximately 8:18 a.m. Pacific Time, several large groups of women were last seen breaking into government buildings and taking several male staff and government workers hostage. Do not approach ORAPREHEND these groups as their CONSIDERESEXTREMELEY armed and DANGROUS. There has been speculation that these mass groups want to enslave EVREY male in the world and OVERTROW all. The GOVER and ENTS of the world and have hijacked SEVRAL missile silos. Although it's not confirmed at this time, all the male residents of America should seek a fallout shelter now if none are near you. Go to the lowest floor of a sturdy building and DISTACE from the world as much as possible.
Coming in just now, like right now, America was nuked 3 hours ago by a mass group of feminists and women, leaving 1 million people dead. It's not known why 3 did what they did, but it's claimed that they are trying to kill or enslave men on the earth. Civil defense has been sent to our borders to patrol and kill any woman on sight if there weren't enough problems like the coronavirus already. My God.
Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully. This is
warning for all of Canada. Several popular maple syrup brands have been contaminated with an unknown parasite. Symptoms of this parasite include dizziness, loss of body hair, changing of voice, or alarming rate of hair growth. If you have maple syrup in your house, do not throw it away, as it has to be disposed of properly to prevent the spread of this parasite. It is speculated that the mass feminist group that call themselves the Women's Mercy are to be involved in this. Already 100,000 people, with 95% of them being male, have been rushed to several hospitals. Doctors from said hospitals have reported that the infected male patients have turned into girls, while the parasite has no effects on women. Stay tuned to this wavelength for more info. Broadcast, but the parasite has escaped to Alberta and to all ranges of Canada. In addition, the leader of the Women Mercy is threatening to detonate several nuclear bombs. If her demands of letting the parasite spread are not met, everyone must proceed to a fallout shelter now. A byproduct of annular attacks and explosions. Exposure to fallout.
Broadcast interference.
ピエルのコンピューター。東海岸から約100マイル離れた場所でいくつかの未確認の船が発見されました。なぜ彼らがここにいるのか、このイベントの所有者は誰なのかは不明です。ロシアの東海岸で起こっていることと同様です。首相がこれらの基地の撤去を宣言したため、これらの抗議が起こっている米国の基地は、これらのイベントの両方が、女性の知事と米国とカナダを再攻撃したテロリストのグループと関係があると推測されています。